Hello, today I'm going to talk all about coral reefs. All about coral reefs. Today we're going to talk about first, what is coral? Second, why is coral good for people? Third, what is coral bleaching? Fourth, what if the coral was gone? 5. What is ocean acidification? 6. Why is ocean acidification bad for coral? What is coral? Corals are animals, and the stony coral build the coral reefs. Every coral have a cup-shaped skeleton. Individual coral is called a polyp. It's mostly a stomach with a mouth on top. The mouth has tentacles. Some of it have poisons. Each polyp is an animal, but they all work together. They can even share their food with others. One coral can be made of 1,000 of polyps. Corals build their own skeleton. This animal lives in the coral, and they give each other food. The food comes from here and inside the mouth, and that makes the skeleton stronger. Why is coral good for people? Corals are 1% of ocean environment, but they support 25% of marine life. 2 million species live on and around the reef. Lots of species will die. The coral supports the people and 500 million jobs. Coastal countries will lose $375 billion a year. Coral protect the coast from flooding. What is coral bleaching? The coral bleaching is that the warmer our oceans get, the faster coral reefs die out. It only takes a temperature spike of 1 degree above average to make them white. This is called bleaching. In 2 years, half of our Great Barrier Reef corals have died. Warmer water leads to coral expelling the small things that live on them, so they lose all their color. Without the things living on them, the corals can't get food and die. What is coral acidification? The ocean has absorbed half of all the CO2 we humans have put out. Coral skeletons are getting weaker. Coral use carbonate ions to build a coral skeleton. When CO2 reacts in seawater, it releases hydrogen, which competes with coral for carbonate. Corals can't eat as much, so they can't grow strong. The hydrogen makes the ocean more acidic, and because the coral haven't grown strong, it is bad for them. Recently, scientists have tracked 120 reef sharks, and they are leaving from the coral because the sea is warm and the coral is bleaching. This was reported by the Guardian newspaper this year. And next, I'm going to talk about my take. I think that the companies should be responsible because they pollute CO2 the most, and I think that people should do the 3 R's: reuse, reduce, recycle. Governments should create laws and regulations to make sure companies do something. So individuals, companies, and the governments need to work together. See you!